Hello, sixth graders. This video is to show you how to make your course request for next school year. To make your course request for next school year, you are going to log on to PowerSchool. There's numerous ways that you can log on to PowerSchool. I listed a couple of the options here. There's the http://pstusd.org public, or you can go to the Richardson webpage and it's on the right hand side. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see PowerSchool links. I think you guys all know how to log on to PowerSchool, but just in case you have forgotten, what you will need to do is enter your username and your password. Your username is your 7-digit student ID, and the password is your 7-digit student ID number with the 2 letters on the end. You will select sign in and proceed as normal. So I think most of you are used to using PowerSchool as a means for you to check your grades and attendance. I hope. But we can also use PowerSchool to see teacher comments, school bulletin boards, attendance history, all kind of stuff. We're going to use PowerSchool this week to do your class registration. So on the left-hand navigation bar, you will scroll down until you see class registration and you'll select that. You'll know you're in the right place because it'll say, "Welcome to Richardson Middle School Class Registration System for 2020-2021. That is a mouthful. The first line after that you'll see is, "Welcome next year 7th graders." Yes, 6th graders, next year you will be 7th graders. So this shows you you're in the right spot. So you're just going to scroll down and we're going to use this to select your classes for next year. The first category you see is 7th grade core classes. Every grade level has core classes. Math, English, science, social studies, PE are your core classes. You don't see math as an option here because there are actually 2 choices for math. You have English, science, social studies, and PE. Then there's a pencil with a check mark. If you click on the pencil, it shows you that your core classes have already been chosen for you. So you can look at them and then you select OK. The green box shows you that this selection has already been made for you. Now, when you scroll down to math, though, same pencil, but there is a red exclamation mark. This means you need to choose a math class. When you select the pencil, you'll see there's 2 options, but there's only 1 box. If you were in 6th grade math last year, you only have 1 box. If you were in accelerated 6th grade this year, you will have 2 boxes. Accelerated student 6 will take accelerated 7th grade, and then you hit OK. Make sure you read all this information in here because it kind of helps you in making your decision about which class you should be in. After your core classes have been selected, you then get to choose your elective class. Now, make sure you read the little summary underneath elective options. You have to understand that we have a limited number of electives and a whole bunch of students. You may select a class and not get your first choice. So just keep that in mind. You'll see there's the pencil, there's the exclamation mark. You select the pencil and you'll see your choices of electives. Always make sure you scroll down to the bottom and make sure there's not a second page. And then you hit OK. After you've made your first elective choice option, you get an alternative. Same thing, pencil, exclamation mark. You need to do an alternative just in case the class you picked was full. So make sure, same thing, pencil, pick your class, hit OK. You will scroll down, you see additional requests. Don't worry about that. That's nothing that you need to concern yourself about. Now, on your screen at the very bottom, you're going to see a button that says submit. Make sure you hit the submit button. Again, make sure you hit the submit button. That's how your courses are recorded in PowerSchool, okay? So make sure you hit the submit button. And then that's it. People have a lot of questions like, what happens after I hit submit? Does that mean I can't change my mind? Of course not. You can go back and change your mind as many times as you would like. So don't think once you do it, you don't have any other chances. You can go back and change your mind and go through the process and pick different electives. Only thing I ask is that you finish this by Friday so we can start creating our classes and making sure we have enough of each class in our choices. So if you have any questions, email me and I will answer your emails as soon as possible. And with that, keep on hopping and get through the rest of the week. If you have any questions again, make sure you send me an email. Have a great day, Richardson.